Are you ready to think like an entrepreneur? In this video, I'll be showing you how to develop an entrepreneurial mindset in just 3 minutes. Whether you're a business enthusiast or a budding entrepreneur, this guide is for you. 1. Introduction. Welcome to our guide on developing an entrepreneurial mindset. Being an entrepreneur is not just about starting a business, it's about having a mindset that allows you to see opportunities where others see problems. It's about being creative, resilient, and willing to take risks. In this video, we will be sharing some practical tips and strategies that will help you develop this mindset. 2. Think outside the box. The first step in developing an entrepreneurial mindset is to start thinking outside the box. Entrepreneurs are constantly looking for innovative solutions to problems. They don't limit themselves to conventional thinking. They are willing to explore new and unconventional ideas. To develop this mindset, start by questioning assumptions, challenging the status quo, and trying new things. 3. Embrace failure. The second step is to embrace failure. Entrepreneurs understand that failure is a valuable learning experience. They see failure as a stepping stone to success. To develop this mindset, start by taking calculated risks, learning from your failures, and being willing to try again. 4. Be resilient. The third step is to be resilient. Entrepreneurial success is not easy, and it requires resilience. To develop this mindset, start by building your resilience muscle, learning to bounce back from setbacks, and staying focused on your goals. 5. Keep learning. The fourth step is to keep learning. Entrepreneurs have a growth mindset. They are constantly learning, experimenting, and improving. To develop this mindset, start by reading books and articles, attending seminars and workshops, and networking with like-minded individuals. 6. Take action. The fifth and final step is to take action. Entrepreneurs don't just think about ideas, they act on them. To develop this mindset, start by setting clear goals, creating a plan of action, and taking consistent action towards your goals.